Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have something special, I guess. So we have a package. It's 4 posters I've ordered, or rather 5 posters I've ordered from Posterize. This video is not sponsored yet. Let's see if they surprise me, because the last time I actually ordered something for myself from the internet, it genuinely surprised me. Those were my phone cases. So देखते हैं कि इसमें कैसे क्वालिटी के posters हैं. They take 99 per poster if it's A4 and 109 if it's A3. So I've ordered 5 of them, and let's see to the unboxing. I don't think I need that because the tape is pretty dry by now. How do I know about Posterize? So, well, last week I was just scrolling through my Insta Reels and my feed, and suddenly this whole poster thing pops up. And I had a lot of people tell me that my room looks pretty plain, even from this perspective it looks very plain because of the bare plain wooden cupboards I have. And so I thought, why not give my room a bit of a revamp. Already it's a revamp and a half, but why not? The more the better, right? I hate the lighting because you can barely see my eyes. You can only see my outline of the frame, but here we have it. Here's the moment. Nice packaging. Oh, already open. Ready? I don't know if I can show the posters because I might get. Can I? I don't know. Oh my god, these are gonna take a while to straighten up. So, first things first, inside the plastic wrapper is a paper. These are like posters which are a combo of like all the good and goated players of football. I bought one of the combo. Dodge Charger 69 RT is one of the poster. Here's the Dodge Challenger 69 RT, which, to be honest, Dodge makes great guns, so you can't blame them. This is one. The second one is obviously because I'm a big Spider-Man fan. It's all the 4 known Spider-Mans to the 2000s generation, I think. So you have the first one, Andrew Garfield, Tobey Maguire, Tom Holland, and then obviously Miles Morales. The best one for the last. Then next we got MS Dhoni with all the 3 cups he has won. 2007, the World Cup of the T20. 2011, obviously, the ODI World Cup. And then obviously Chennai, because Chennai. And then I have 2 of these because I might add them somewhere else. And the goated footballers. This way, yeah. The goated footballers. So, from France, Kylian Mbappe. From Mexico, I don't know the number, I don't know the guy, but from Brazil, Neymar Jr. From Portugal, Cristiano Ronaldo. Where is that? What? Is that Ozil? I think it's Ozil. I think it's Ozil if I'm not wrong. I think it's Ozil. I don't know. What flag is that? The best one for the end. The World Cup winner, Messi. What am I gonna do with all of these posters? One idea was that I stick it on that back wall so that there's the light falling and all that. But these are like good quality, not gonna lie. But I'll have to check if sticking ability is there for the wall, because it's the wall. Cut to me sticking one of these. Right. वेलकम बैक. मुझे पता नहीं 4 महीने हो गए मैंने वो अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो बना के. अभी मैं देख रहा था कि हाउ लॉन्ग हैज़ इट बिन सिंस आई रिकॉर्डेड दैट. आई थिंक इट्स बिन अराउंड 4 months. But you might be excited for something very special, which is the frames. Look at them. They look so gorgeous. They look gorgeous. So obviously Spider-Man वाली वहाँ लगा दिया मैंने, और यहाँ पर पूरा एक aesthetic vibe, U shape, V shape, X shape, I don't know. But look at them. They look so perfect. If you haven't watched my new series, it is up by now. अभी तक आ जानी चाहिए. ये वाली वीडियो में जो मैं अभी एडिट कर रहा हूँ और आज पोस्ट हो जाएगा होपफुली. इस वाली वीडियो में मैं एनर्जी लेवल्स वर अ बिट शाई. आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज घर पे पेरेंट्स थे, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, but I wasn't talking as loud as it was supposed to be. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I have an exam tomorrow, and the next whole week I have an exam, but like I'm still making this video. See you in the series. Peace out.